Hello everyone, I am Amoka Bandrikalli. What's up? What's going on? Let's jump into the video. Today's video is all about what is type 1 error, what is type 2 error in a machine learning, how these two errors are going to affect while taking a crucial decisions. Let's check it out. To understand those errors, we need to know about these four things. First one is true positive, second one is false positive, false negative, and true negative. So these are the four instances or four terminologies which are going to cause you too much of confusion while understanding type 1 and type 2 errors. Let's see in brief what are all these four things and what is type 1 and type 2 errors. Let's consider a scenario that machine is going to decide whether cancer is present for a patient or not. So this is a scenario. If it is a true positive, consider this is a scenario, the actual condition saying that cancer is present inside the patient. And the machine output is also telling you that cancer is present for a patient, then excellent. So it is true positive. It is not going to harm anything for a patient. So hence it has been characterized under true positive. It's positive. Actual output is cancer is not present in the patient, but the machine is going to tell that cancer is present. So the result is patient and its family will be in a very much tensed state. So this is a type 1 error. But it is not going to provide you too much fault for a patient, or it is not going to just take away the life of a patient. It is going to just embed the medicines which were unnecessarily needed for that patient, but it is not going to harm the life of a person. So hence false positive. So the result is false, but positive means it is not going to affect the life of a person. So hence the name is false positive. False negative. The name itself says that the machine is going to provide you a wrong results. The actual output is cancer is present, but machine is going to tell you that cancer is absent in that patient. The result is patient is going to die. So it is called as a type 2 error. So this is the very much serious issue, that is present inside the patient, but the machine has been wrongly diagnosed as whether it is absent. So it is going to harm the life of a person. So hence it is called as an type 2 error. So these kinds of errors are going to harm the society. So while designing any of the machine learning, take care of a type 2 errors, that is false negative. The last scenario is true negative. Negative. Actual output is cancer is absent, and the machine is also going to provide you that cancer is absent. So no problem at all. So these are the four different scenarios you need to take care of while designing any sorts of machine learning algorithms. Take care of false positive and false negative. Always take care of this false negative term, because it is going to take the life of a human being if it is an health domain applications, or else if you are going for any sorts of agricultural based applications, there also you need to take care that you need to take care of this false negative. Consider your application is like detecting whether the plant is crop or the weeds. If it is weeds, apply some amount of pesticides and kill it. So if that crop have been wrongly diagnosed as the weeds, then it is going to just kill that respective plant. So take care of these kinds of an application. Type 1 and type 2. Type 2 is too much dangerous. Information about machine learning, deep learning, how to implement these machine learning and how to understand this concept, these kinds of stuff, please do subscribe. If you feel that this video is helpful, give thumbs up. Do like, do comments. If this video is helpful for your friends, do share them. Thanks for your time. Thank you.